Hi, I have an Amana condensing unit #RCB36B2A. The start capacitor failed. It's 19 years old and I can't read the numbers to replace it. Can you give me the start capacitor info to replace it?
Can you guesstimate how old your Amana is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
19 years old model #RCB36B2A.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I have serviced it myself.yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I just need a compatible start capacitor so I may purchase it and replace it.
Hi, I'm Brian and I'll be happy to help with this issue. I don't show a factory installed start capacitor for your unit model. I only show a run capacitor. Is the capacitor in question in a metal can or is it a black plastic cylinder?
Actually, both. What would be compatible replacement parts for both?
Well, the OEM part number for the dual run capacitor is Whirlpool P ND6789025. This is a 35 plus 5 MFD capacitor with a 440 VAC rating. OEM is not necessary but makes replacement a bit easier since it should be the same size. Again, I don't show that unit had a start capacitor / start relay installed in it from the factory, so I can't give info for replacement of the one you have. I can suggest a universal aftermarket start capacitor / start relay assembly if you'd like.
That would work, thank you.
Okay, great. Click here for a universal capacitor / relay kit and click here for a 2-wire solution that is a little easier to install. If you're not a fan of Amazon, you can use the KS1 model number for the first one and SPP6 model number for the second one. These are both very common items and can be found at many different vendors. Let me know if you have further questions about this. Thanks, Brian.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.